Okay, Denise, as promised, I am going through your work and I think I've got some things figured out here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. Okay, what I want to do first is I really want to get everything in place so that you know exactly what you need and what is missing and what is accounted for. Okay, so this first section is your promotional self promo personal ID right here, personal ID. And for that section, you can see you need a resume, a business card, and actually a letter. For now, it's a letterhead, a business card, and I'm going to say an envelope too. Now we're going to go to a sample sheet, and I'll talk about that in a section. But right now you've got a business card, you've got a letterhead. What you need to design is an envelope and a sample sheet. So you have your letterhead, your business card, and an envelope. And a sample sheet is basically part of your personal identity. So you imagine you open your portfolio, a digital portfolio, and you say, okay, this is Denise Carter, graphic designer, photographer, and this is personal identity. So here's your business card, here's your letterhead, and then you show your envelope. And then the next page would be called a sample sheet. What that is, it's just like an introduction. And it's just one page of 4 or 5 of your best pieces. And what that does is it's just kind of like an introduction for the portfolio, for the reviewer or the potential employer to say, okay, just a little quick, brief snapshot of your capabilities. Okay, so then we move to collateral design, and it looks like in collateral design you have got your individual ad layout. Excuse me, I'm gonna try to get these so we can see them at the same time. Individual ad layout. You've got your book cover. You've got your direct mail. You've got your poster. That's 4 pieces. So we need one more piece for direct mail or for collateral design. Okay, CD or DVD cover, or a direct mail or a brochure. So one of those two you will need. Probably a little bit easier to design a CD, DVD cover. Okay. The next section is thumbnails and process book, and that part is missing. And that is it's basically a set of sketches that shows the preliminary work for one of your for a project. So if you have any sketches involved with a project, we'll need to get those in order. Okay, so that's thumbnails process book. That part is missing. Okay, section 4, we have corporate design, and you've got your Disney piece for corporate design. And it looks like you have I'm not real sure, business card, and then an envelope, and then your letterhead. Okay, so one other thing that we need is we need one more piece for here because you have this. So it says you need 2. You have your business card envelope. So we need a style guide, environmental graphics for a logo sheet. When I say environmental graphics, my suggestion is to just make a billboard. Take an image of a billboard on the side of a highway or maybe in a busy metropolis in downtown LA or Culver City, California or something, and then place your logo in there and whatever kind of verbiage that you want to include too. So that'll take care of your corporate design. Let's move on to your web and digital media. That is missing. So that section is missing. And then you have publication design. And let me see where my notes say. Publication design is also missing. And that is where you'll say publication design is annual report. Any multi-page editorial design will work for that. Digital grid system, a tabloid, any sort of a multi-page. So as long as it has a cover, a table of contents, and at least one spread, you're good. Or if you have any multi-page editorial, like a 4-page spread for a editorial design, any one of those will work for your publication design. If you have to design from scratch there, I would say design a 2-spread magazine article and maybe put an image in there, a headline and captions, etc., etc. But that should take care of your publication design. You have 5B, which is digital graphics design. And let me see my notes for that. That is, that's actually kind of a free area where you can place things that you've worked on, individual pieces in Illustrator, InDesign, or Photoshop. Retouching is fine. Digital illustrations are fine. Page layers are fine. Any of those would be fine for your digital graphics design. Okay, and then you have your package design, which is actually lovely. I think it's a wonderful piece. Fantastic job, really good presentation there. And then you have your production shots, which again, fantastic work there. Okay, great job there. And then publication design, we go to, I'm sorry, from package design, we go to your electives. And let's take a look at your electives. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 electives. If we include the logo. So electives are covered. So that means that, again, what you are missing is Section 3, Thumbnails Process Book, Section 5, Web and Digital Media, Section 6, Publication Design. Then you'll have to fill in 5B, and then one more elective. And I think we need one more thing. What was it? Oh, we need one more piece for the collateral design. Yeah, we need one there. So, all right. So let's get that together and go through your work. And we talked this morning, and you said you were going to go through your work and see if we can find some more pieces that might fit some more requirements. So let's just do that, and we'll take another look in when you get those together and see if we can't piece this thing together. Okay. Thanks very much, Denise. Good job. Thank you.